Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a follow-up video on my Mackie Cp3 in stainless steel and the Mackie Cp3 in zirconium and brass. Before we get started though, please drop a like on this video and make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't yet. So yeah, this is my Mackie Cp3 in stainless steel, serial number 1205. This was one of the first fidgets I got, I think. Yeah. Well, like first, like official, like brand fidgets. So yeah, and I think it's one of my top fives, I believe, my top 5 fidgets right now. And yeah, it's very easy to use. It's simple. It's snappy. I'm not worried about damaging this one or like getting a few scratches on it. You guys can see I got maybe like a couple of scratches over there, you know, but like I haven't dropped it or anything. And yeah, I just love this motion and have nothing bad to say about it. The maintenance, I haven't had to do much maintenance on this. I think the only maintenance I had to do was, I think it was this magnet and this magnet that popped out, or was it on this plate? I'm not really sure. I think it was on this one, and this one popped out, and I had to re-glue them back in. And that was it. I actually did a whole video on that. You guys can watch it like right here. So yeah, how I glued them in and stuff. So yeah, so this is the stainless steel one. It's pretty loud. You guys can let me go ahead and pull up the decibel reader. It's pretty loud, about 87 decibels. And then this is the Mackie Cp3 in zirconium brass. I just had to get this one because I love this so much, and it's just like it looks so much better with the gold plated and stuff like that. So yeah, but this has tape on it. So yeah, it's a bit quieter, just a bit, you know, still pretty loud. But yeah, would I get this fidget again if I lost it? Definitely, like without a doubt. Like probably like get it right away, because just, I mean, it's just like it's so easy to use and it's so like fun to use, and you never get bored of it no matter what. So yeah, and it's a bit like loud. I actually like want to put some tape on this, on the stainless steel one, and see how it does. Actually, one sec. So I'm gonna cut out 2 strips right here. All right, that's one. And then this will be number 2. All right, it's a pretty sharp knife. I got this from a friend of mine a couple of videos back. So yeah, it's a pretty cool knife, very sharp. So yeah. And I also got this tape from him too. Alright, let me go ahead and try to glue it on now. I'm not even sure how this. Alright, I'm back. I just cut them out off camera because it was gonna take too long. So yeah, I think now I got them snug in there. That's gonna fit there. And then this is gonna fit here. They're gonna be popping out. Alright, one sec, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back again, and I fixed it. Okay, so now they're gonna be they're gonna kind of perfectly fit in there. I don't know. Alright, I gotta cut out a bit here, one more. One sec. Let me just. Slice that. And All right, one more second. Let me just trim the corners just a bit. This is a great board. Cut on it, and it won't leave a mark. So yeah. Oh my god. That should do it. Perfect. Alright, let me go ahead and put this tape on now. Let's hope I don't mess it up. That would suck. Alright, that fit perfectly. Let's go ahead and do this part now. Alright, just took it off. That almost ended badly. Let's just stab myself. But we are good. Alright, let's go ahead and put it together. Yeah, it's actually a lot quieter. Yeah, see, tape makes it a lot quieter. All right. Yeah. If you guys don't like the loud sound, I would recommend putting some tape on it. It'll make it quieter and a bit more smoother too. So yeah. And the way I use this mainly is just like, so I found a way. So instead of just opening and closing it, I would open it, twist it, close it. You know, to make it more fun. But yeah, I think you can also like turn this around. I don't know if this works on this, but yeah, see? It works like a clicker. Right, and I guess I'll just include these in here. This is the CP3 knockoff. This thing's like really loud. And it still has tape on it too. So yeah, this thing is really loud. Yeah, I mean this by far out of both of these, this has stronger magnets by far. So yeah, and then you have this one. It's got strong magnets too, but this had tape on it, and I took it off, and then it made it like a bit more rough and louder. But yeah, I don't know if I would get these again. I mean, they're fun, stuff, but I think I would just stick to the original ones. I mean, I think I would get them because like it's the same thing, but yeah. And if you can't afford these, this is like almost just as good with these. Some would say it's even better because of these strong magnets, and some people like the strong magnets. I like them either way, as long as they're just not too weak. So yeah. But yeah, that'll be all for this video. Oh yeah, another cool thing you can do is take them apart and use them with different pieces, like each one. So right here, look at that, stainless steel middle, zirconium sides. So yeah, I guess we can do it with this. I don't want to damage it too much. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. And make sure to turn on your bell notifications because I'm going to be posting a lot of more reviews and then more unboxings. So yeah, see ya.